It's Ty the Real Estate Guy, your friendly neighborhood real estate agent and new home construction specialist. Today, I'm continuing my tour of model homes to show you the different styles of homes being built, the new home construction trends, and the newest upgrades and features builders are putting into their homes. Today, I'm visiting Toll Brothers in Harriman, Utah, and just to be clear, I'm not promoting this particular home builder. I'm simply giving you a tour of the home so you can see the many different styles of homes and floor plans. Whether you're building a custom home or going with a track home builder, these videos should provide you with loads of information to help you through the design process of your own home. Today, I'm touring a Rambler that they call the Scofield. This home comes standard with approximately 2,000 finished square feet and about 4,000 total square feet with an unfinished basement. That being said, many builders will finish the basement to show you the full potential of their homes. This house comes standard with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Before we step inside, let's talk about the elevation or the exterior look. This is a prairie style elevation. Let me give you a better look. Okay, stepping inside here. You can see the family room way up ahead, nice long hallway. And then here coming to the right here, you have like an office. Nice tall ceilings here. And over there, you can see just a closet. So technically, this could be used as a bedroom. All right, let's walk in through here. You can see there's a bathroom. Looks like you have a Jack and Jill bathroom here between these 2 bedrooms. Here's your shower and toilet area. And then we step into the baby's room. kitchen. Beautiful kitchen. Very unique. And then comes over here to this dining area. You guys know me, I like to step into the corner to give you the best view of each room. See the family room that direction? You got the bathroom to the left there, but we're gonna check out the bedroom first. Got some nice tray ceilings here. Let's go ahead and step inside. Let's go check out the bathroom really quick. Okay, that is, yeah, well, first of all, you got double sinks right here, but this is probably the craziest, or at least largest shower I've ever seen. Just step right inside there. Don't even need a shower door here. Okay, and then you got your toilet in here. And then your master closet. We'll step in this direction. Across, show you everything from this side. So the closet's a little tight, but they've done a great job with the custom shelving, maximizing the space. Let's see what's to the right. Okay, so you just have some unfinished space here. Right now you can just use it as storage. But you can see they put insulation around the walls here for you, so it's already insulated. And you got your window well there. Daylight basement here, which is nice. So basically what they have down here is one nice big open family room. We're gonna see what's behind this door. Once again, you can see a nice big open storage area. This looks like you could put some bedrooms down in this location. Or a really nice big bedroom. Let's check out this family room here. Once again, we're gonna walk to all the corners. Got your TV set up right here. Okay, let's just go ahead and step out back really quick. Okay, so right away you can see there's a covered hot tub here. Gives you a nice covered deck here. A covered porch. The home build process can be confusing and it's often overwhelming. So for those of you that have questions about building a home or you'd like to understand the home build process better, I have loads of videos to help you out. I'll put links to some of the most popular videos below, or you can just check out my YouTube channel. For more great new home construction videos and home tours, hit the subscribe button below. Also, you can find me on Instagram at Ty the Real Estate Guy. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have questions or comments, please type your remarks below. I want to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to ring that little bell below to be notified each time I post new videos.